Let's see this problem. Partition list. Given the head of a linked list and the value x, partition it such that all nodes less than x come before nodes greater than or equal to x. You should preserve the original relative order of the nodes in each of the two partitions. Okay, one linked list has been given and one value, see this linked list, and one value x equal to 3. So all the nodes less than x, so all the nodes whose value is less than 3 should come before the nodes greater than or equal to 3 here. So see here 1 4 3 2 5 2, this linked list is there. So less than 3 is 1 2 and 2, so 1 2 and 2, and its relative order should be maintained. For 2 and 2 we can't identify its relative order, but see here 4 3 and 5, these are either greater than or equal to x, that means 3. So 4 3 and 5, its order is maintained here. So it should return the linked list like this way. So here one linked list has been given 1 4 3 2 5 2, and here value of x has been given 3. So we have to partition like all the value less than 3 should be before that 3, and greater than or equal to 3 can be on the right direction. Okay, so its final output should be like this: 1 2 2 4, because here relative order we have to maintain, 3 and 5. So this is the our final linked list. So how will we approach here? What I will do, I will take two linked list. Okay, that means two node I will define for two linked list, and then after sorting both the linked list I will merge. See like this. I just remove this one now here. See, now this is two linked list. So first linked list is this one, second linked list is this one. So how will we create two linked list? uh, we will compare all the value of the this point, this linked list, and whichever value is less than x, it will go inside this linked list, and whichever value is greater than or equal to x, this will go inside this linked list. It's very simple, no? And finally we will merge both the linked list, and after merging we will point from left part of the linked list to right part of the linked list. So this is our final linked list. It's simple, you will better understand with code. So what I have to do, I have to first define two dummy nodes. So I will define two dummy nodes here. For two linked list I will create now. So before and after, this will be list node 0. It's a dummy value is 0 for that node, and second also its value is 0. Then I will take two pointer for this before and after. Okay. So just define this b pointer and a pointer. B pointer is for before and a pointer is for after. Okay, now I will traverse inside the complete linked list while head. I will check its value. If head dot value is less than x, this is less than x, no? Let's put meta space. So it should go inside before pointer, So b pointer dot next equal to head value. Actually this is the pointer. Initially it was pointing to 0, now it will point to head, but again we will have to update for pointing next value of this linked list. So b pointer equal to head, so it will be updated accordingly. Now b pointer is pointing directly to head. Previously it was pointing its next value to head, but now I have updated to head so that I can update next value in this list. Other case can be if a head dot value is greater than or equal to x, then this will go inside a pointer dot next equal to head and a pointer equal to head. Okay, and head will traverse head equal to head dot next. Okay, done here. In these two linked list it will be stored. First b pointer for all the lesser elements than x and a pointer for all the elements greater than or equal to x. Now this is the pointer, so what I have to do, I have to merge both the linked list. So b pointer dot next what should be this one, whole linked list now for second. So for second after dot next because see after that is the initial node, but we have to not to consider this initial node. So after dot next b pointer dot next, b pointer is the current pointer of second linked list. Okay, and uh, here a pointer dot next should be null because here it was 5 initially, no, so 5 next pointer was 2, it is still 2, but I have to make this none. So both the list has been merged. See, one list was this 1 2 2, another list was 4 3 5. It's better I keep it upside because before that adding both the linked list I have to make it null. See, so first list was 1 2 2 till 2, and second list is 4 3 5 and 5 next pointer is none already defined, but I have to define this pointer, this 2, its next pointer should be this complete linked list first pointer address. So this after dot next, after is the first node, so its next node will be from 4, so its 2 next will be after dot next. So what I have to return before dot next, because before is the initial pointer, so before is now 0 dot next, so it will start from 1. It's fine now. I have defined two pointer before and two nodes before and after, and both value are 0. Okay, and I have taken two pointer b pointer and a pointer for both the nodes, and I have traversed inside this linked list, and I have made two separate linked list. For all the value less than x, it is going inside b pointer dot next head, and it's updating b pointer equal to head. And finally this next linked list was created, so here 5 next should be null, so here 5 next is none, and this is our current pointer b pointer, its next should be second linked list first pointer now. So second linked list is after, but it is starting from 0, so after dot next, and now we have to return this final linked list, so before dot next, because before is currently 0. Okay, let's run. Accepted. Submit. Submitted. Thank you.